Hey doll babies, Kalia Ali here and welcome back to my channel. So today, out of all days, I have another issue going on, and it is my tail light or brake light. I was leaving for lunch and my coworker happened to be behind me, and she noticed that my tail light or brake light was out, and she called me to let me know, and so I'm so happy that she did that for me. So I have had to change it before, and I just want to let you know and show you that you can do it as a woman by yourself if need be, and I'm just going to go through the little steps with you, so hang tight. Apparently the tail or brake light that I'm having trouble with is on the driver's side. And the way that you can tell is when you hit the brake, like you see here on the passenger side, it lit up, but on the driver's side, it's not lit up. So that's how I know that I have a tail light out. So now we're going to replace it, and thank God I actually have a spare set of bulbs in my glove box. So we're gonna head to the glove box, get it, and try to get this done. First thing you wanna do is get bulbs, make sure you got bulbs or whatever, pop the trunk. Yes, single mom life. And I have my handy dandy spare set of long life tail or brake light bulbs, and they come in a 2-pack. They're very affordable. Since I've had these for a while, I cannot recall the price, but probably around $7 or so. Anyways, you come to the trunk and there is these panel fasteners. Hold over. And one of mine is missing, and you may want to, well, you need to remove 2 of them, and this edition is for 09 to 2013 Toyota Corollas. And you get in there. I don't have the proper tool, but maybe I can use my fingers without hurting myself. Anyways, these are the panel fasteners. There it goes. And then this exposes your bulbs. And again, you have the breaker tail light, which is the red. The orange is the turn signal light. And then the big white light is the backup light. And we are focusing on the tail brake light. So I get in here, and I think you have to turn it like counterclockwise. Yeah, turn it counterclockwise to the left towards you, and then you pull it out, and there it is. And you can see that it's pretty dead, and then you just wiggle it out, like that, and then you get the new bulb. See if you can do anything. And there's your new bulb, and you pop it in place like that. You'll hear it snap, and then you just try to fit it back in there like you grabbed it out, and then you're going to turn it clockwise to the right, and you hear it snap, and that's it. That's all you have to do. And then you want to replace your panel, get your bulbs, and then maybe I'm going to test it and see if it lights up. Voila, that's it. That's all you have to do. That is how you change a tail or a brake light. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful. Until next time, peace, abundance, blessings. Bye, love you.